As both a cosplayer and a perfectionist, I usually want to get down every little detail that comes to the character that I want to portray. And that usually not only means getting the wig correct, getting the costume and the littlest details that I can find correct and adding stuff that I want for myself. It also means that I want the eye color to be correct. And you can usually achieve that by simply photoshopping your pictures and correcting your eye color. But in my case, I like to use colored contact lenses. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be addressed before you wear any contact lenses for the very first time. So welcome everybody to Contact Lens Basics. My name is Cosplay. I have been cosplaying for around 11 years now, and of course I am not an optometrist or anything. I can only share my experiences, so if you have anything that you struggle with, that you worry about, that you're not sure of, rather listen to someone who has the knowledge of it, like an optometrist, than just someone random on the internet. So let's say you already know that you are able to wear any contact lenses and you check that and you already ordered some and now they arrived. They usually come either in little bottles or like a plastic little thing. And you can already see that there is an expiration date. And this expiration date does not mean that you can wear your contact lens for several years. It is only meant for the closed thing. So you need to check whether you bought weekly lenses, daily lenses, yearly lenses. There are differences, so check that when you are buying it. And that means once you open the package it comes with, it is durable for that time that you bought it. Now you will have to find a place where to store them first. And there are different types of contact lens cases. I usually prefer those bigger ones because they are basically easier to travel with. And as you can see here, I have the general case, which you can also just buy that. But there's also a little bottle where I can put my solution in and these little things that you can use, but you don't have to. So you put the contact lenses in with a solution that fits what you need. There are also different solutions. This is mine. There's also like a bunch of text that comes with it. So read that through because it usually states like how you need to use it and when this expires and stuff. So this is important to understand and know that you can use that. And from now on, you will have to change that solution regularly. So get the old solution out, get new one in like every 2 weeks or so. And now you will just let your freshly bought contact lenses soak in there for at least a day, and then you can finally put them in your eye. So there are different ways to get them in. It may be a bit difficult. Take your time, and also if it simply doesn't work, don't force yourself, and as soon as you feel uncomfortable, just stop it. Here's how I do it, and also the reason why I'm not wearing any makeup, because you shouldn't be wearing any makeup before you put on your contact lenses. Do that afterwards. It can happen very easily that there are little particles and bits and pieces of your makeup that get sandwiched in between your eye and the contact lens. And that will cause infections. Here's my contact lens. Sometimes the contact lens gets flipped inside out. For some contact lenses, this is already visible because the inside color is different from the outside color. But as you can see, it's not really the case for this one. Almost the same inside and outside. But what you can do instead to check whether it is the right side, it is the shape actually. You have to look very closely around the edge of the contact lens. So it needs to be like a little bowl, basically. So this is what it looks like now, and you can already see it does a little bit of a bending. I have my contact lens ready, and I pull my under eyelid down and my other eyelid up as much as I can, but I also try to look as much upwards as I can. Just like that, and then it's in. So now you can see it's a bit bubbly still, so I will let go of my under eyelid first, trying to get it into the correct position. Now my eye is tearing up a little, getting used to it. Also, I haven't slept well, but that's it, and now I could do it for the other eye as well and start my makeup afterwards. And once I start feeling headaches or start to feel like my eye is getting too dry or anything and I want to get it out, I will use these little thingies. Again, you can use your own fingers if you want to. What I do is just moving my under eyelid a bit downwards and just try to catch the contact lens. There it is. And now you also want to use your solution and clean the lens a little bit with that, like give it just a quick bath or anything. What you can do, but you're not forced to do it, is getting a cleanser, which is something like that. It is basically like a case. You open it, you put your solution in, and it's basically like those jewelry cleaning thingies, and that will basically shake off the dirt of your contact lens. So once you cleaned it as much as you can, you put it in fresh solution in its case. So yeah, that's already it. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, I will try my best to answer it, but again, I am not a professional when it comes to your eyeballs. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to do so. I will upload a video about tips and tricks and tutorials of any cosplay stuff every Tuesday. So we will see each other latest next week, but you can also join my live streams every Thursday and Saturday over on Twitch. Bye bye!